I'm Margaret, and today I'm making crème brûlée with passion fruit and pistachio. I'm going to show you how to give that crème brûlée a lovely passion fruit flavour, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to decorate to make it a feast for the eyes as well as for the taste buds. So I want to get a lovely passion fruit flavour throughout the crème brûlée. So in go 3 whole passion fruits. I'll give it a little bit of a mix before I take it over to the stove and very gently heat it up. It needs to come to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, but gently does it. We don't want the mixture to boil. And while that's happening, I'll keep an eye on it, but I'm going to separate the 3 eggs. We just need the yolks today. And into these I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 50 grams of caster sugar and give it a really good mix. Now when the cream has hit the right temperature, I'm going to add it to the eggs, but only little bit by little bit. If I put it all in at once, the eggs will curdle and we'll just get scrambled eggs. And we won't get the lovely cream, smooth custard that we're after. So little by little, giving it a stir between each addition. Now it's almost ready. So back into the pan with it to mix with the rest of the cream. And thoroughly mixed. At this stage, the cream will be beautifully flavoured with that passion fruit. So we need to get rid of the seeds now, so we have a lovely smooth and creamy consistency to the custard. Let's encourage that through with a fork. There we go. And a little scrape of the bottom so we don't miss any of that cream. These little tart cases are the perfect dish. It needs to be shallow but small enough for an individual portion. And they're almost ready to bake. But the first thing we have to do is to pop them into a shallow tin. We want these to cook quite slowly so that the custard sets evenly. And to make this happen, we're going to put water into the tray just about halfway up the little dishes. And this will help that slow, even cooking process. They take about 40 minutes to bake. You'll know they're ready because they seem almost solid, but the centre will have a little wobble. When they're cool, I like to pop them into the fridge overnight. This helps them to set completely. And when you're ready to serve, sprinkle caster sugar on top and pop them under the grill for just a couple of minutes. Again, keep an eye on them. And when they're caramelised, we can have some fun with the decorating. I'm sprinkling ground pistachio here and using a cup that's smaller than the dish to make a little moon shape. This adds a lovely crunch and also a great flavour to the crème brûlée. It goes so well with the passion fruit. I found a few little sugar pearls too. They're difficult to get in a straight line, but they're quite easy to move about once they're on the top. You may remember I made almond brittle to go on my ultimate Christmas dessert. I'll put the link here because I've made some pistachio brittle and changed the recipe just to put the different nuts in. And here it is. It makes a lovely crunch, adding to that smooth crème brûlée. And it goes so well, just balanced on the side of the dish. There we go, all ready to tuck in. Oh, delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. I do hope you've enjoyed the recipe today. Take care. Catch you soon.